Hi viewers, thank you for watching our channel. We want to continue in our topic, linear equation, continuation of the very last one that we did, because we were able to work on question 1 and question 2. So now we to work on question 3 and question 4 and to show the sketch of the line graph of each questions. So let's pick question 3. Question 3 here says 5x minus 1 all over 3 minus 1 minus 2x all over 5 less than equals to 8 plus x. So with this one now, let's just find the SCM here straight. So we'll look for the SCM. Okay, we leave this part for now, but let's finish this part now. So we'll now say, look for the SCM of this side. 3 times 5 is going to give us 15. We put the 15 down. So if you say 3 in 15, it's giving us 5. So 5 times 5, 25 here. 25x. Then same thing. Or before we do that, don't let us just go further so that you not mix up. Let me do like this. So 5 is 5. And mind you, because of what we just put that 5 here. 5 bracket 5x minus 1, close the bracket. So let's put our negative sign here too. 5 here, 5 in this 3 to multiply this one, just do like this. 1 minus 2x. So our this one less than equals to 8 plus x. So with this one now, let's now multiply what is inside here. So it will now become 25x minus 5. Then this one minus 3. Then minus times minus is going to give us plus 6x all over 15. Then less than equals to 8 plus x. So let's put this one to all over 1. So with this one now, let's say we will try to continue from this side. We collect all the lifetimes, the one that we can remove and the one that we can add together from this very first equation here. So if you look at here now, we have 25x, then we have plus 6x. When you add these two together, it's going to give us 31x. 31x. Then this and this together, negative is going to give you minus 8. Minus 8 all over 15. All over 15 less than and equals to 8 plus x all over 1. So from here now, we just cross multiply. Cross multiply. That means let's put the symbol there. We cross multiply this equation. It will now give us, if you use this one to multiply this, still remain 31x plus 8. Then this particular one less than equals to, put it like this, sorry, less than equals to 15, close the bracket, 8 plus x. We close it. So from here now, this particular one, let's multiply this one. 31x minus 8 less than equals to 15 times 8. From our thing, 15 times 8 is going to give us 120. So we have 120 here plus 15x. We have 15x here. So we now collect the times. Collect times. We collect the times. So 31 still remain, 31x. So we transfer this positive 15x to this side. So it will become minus 15x. So our symbol still remains less than equals to. So 120, this negative 8 turned to positive 8. So from here now, when you deduct 15 from here, 15 from 31 is going to give us a so that will not mix the answer together. So it's not mix us together. So we're going to have a positive 16x here, 16x, then less than equals to, when you add these ones together, it will give you 128. So let's now multiply both sides with 16. So equals 16x all over 16 times less than equals to 128 all over 16. So you divide this one with this. So this one now, let me put it here, equals x less than equals to 128 all over 16. So let's do it small. 2 here, 2 is 16, we have 8. 2 here, 6, 2 here, 4. 2 can still go again, 2 here, 4, 2 here, 3, 32. Then 2 here, 2, 2 here, 1, 2 in 12, we have a 6. Then 2 here, 1, 2 in 16, we have 8. So our answer here, we now give us x less than equals to 8 is the answer here. So let's now input the sketch line graph that we talked about. So we'll just get our straight line. Let's put our x here. So far this one is less than equals to 8. So it will be around here. Let's assume our 0 is here. Our 8 too will be here. Let's put our 8 here. 8 here. So this particular one, this particular symbol is falling under this first one, this first symbol here. So we just put this thing up, we circle it, and it's going to be dark because it's less than equals to, it's going to be dark. Then the direction of this arrow, our x will go to like that. So this shows that the value x less than equals to 8 is included in the possible solution. The value less than equals to 8 is included in the possible solution. Then at the same time, we can draw this graph like this again, or our straight line again. Then our x, let's put our 0 here. Then our 8. So this same symbol will be on the line. Then the line 2 will parallel to this line. So it will be parallel line to it. So that's to show the value less than equals to 8 is included in the possible solution for this question 3 workings and the answer. Our answer is x equals less than 8. So let's work on question 4. Let's make use of this place. Question 4. So question 4 here, we have 1 over 3x plus 4 plus 1 over 4 less than 3 all over 8x. So with this one now, let's leave this part first. Let's get the LCM of this one. So just rule LCM. Look to get the LCM of this one. So far they are not, they can't go in each other. It's better we multiply. 3 times 4 is going to give us 12. So let's put 12 here. So you now say 3 in 12, 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4x. Then plus sign here. 4 here, 3. 3 times 1, 3. So come back to less than 3 all over 8x. Then from here now, so far we can go further. We now let's cross multiply 2. Multiply. Let's cross multiply the equation. So let's pick 8 bracket 4x plus 3 close bracket, then 12 times less than 12 times 3x. With this one now, so let's multiply. 8 times 4, 8 times 4, 32. 32x plus 8 times 3, 8 times 3, 24, less than 12 times 3, this one is going to give 36. We have 36 here, 36x. So let's now collect the times, collect times. So 32x minus 36x. So we transfer these ones to this place. It's still going to give a negative 24. So when you deduct 32 from 36, we have minus negative 4 down. 4x less than 24. So let's multiply 4 with both sides, just minus 4 with both sides. So cancel, this one too cancel. Then the negative here, and mind you, so far we've already used negative in our previous video, the very first one. Once you use anything negative to divide anything this side, this symbol must change. So cancel here. So 4 divided by 24 is going to give us, so 24 divided by 4 is going to give us, it's going to give us 6. So we are having x equals greater than 6 is our answer here. We told you anytime you use negative to divide anything from anything across this sign, whatever that is here, it could be less than, equals to, it could be less than, or could be greater than, it must change to the other side. So that's why we arrive at x greater than 6. So our graph now will now look like this. Let's put our x here. So far this one is positive x 6. So let's say our 0 here. Then our 6 is somewhere here. So you raise it up. Just circle. Why is just ordinary circle? Because it's not greater than, equals to, it's just greater than. And you see where this arrow faces? So our arrow will face like this. We face like this. So this shows that the value less than 6 is not included in in the positive solution. In the possible solution. Possible solution. So that's what the sign shows. Or the same way that we used to draw a line graph, or so our straight line again. So our x stand here, let's let 0 stay, then our 6 here, then that symbol will be on top of the line, then our line 2 will be parallel to this. So that's it. I hope this channel added value to you. Till our next video, thank you for watching. I'm yours because he cares. Thank you.